And we are definitely not at Delaware Cadillac. We are, in fact, at the 27th annual Hagley Car Show at the Hagley Museum and Library. We hope to come back again and do something to highlight the true aspect and the history that's involved in this wonderful organization. The land just coming in through the gate is immense, the amount of property that they have here. This 27th annual car show has been nothing but a hit. And we, Delaware Cadillac and Auto Team Delaware, are proud to be sponsors. And we brought what we thought something new, an electric car. But ladies and gentlemen, in one of the exhibits that we're gonna go into that is more recent, we're gonna find out this isn't that much of a new idea. Before the LYRIQ, before Toyota had a Prius, before the Cadillac ELR, before Elon Musk was a twinkle in his mother's eye, probably before Elon Musk's mother was born, Pierre S. DuPont had the idea that electric cars were something to behold because he bought 4 of them. And this happens to be one of the ones that he bought for his family in 1912. And it was made by the Anderson Carriage Company. At the time, Pierre S. DuPont was actually on the board of General Motors. And I don't know all the history, and who knows, whoever owned Mobil, Exxon, or whatever the gas companies were, there's some stories as to why we went down the path of gas. But here, they already had that idea back in 1912. It's great for us to be able to debut the LYRIQ as Cadillac gets ready to go forward in an all-electric future down the line. We could have started it back in 1912, and this would have been the 50th iteration of the LYRIQ, who knows? And another car that ever since we've been trying to arrange things with the Hagley Museum, they just recently acquired this. Also another DuPont family member that left this to the Hagley Museum and Library, a 1918 Cadillac Type 57. So for all you folks that want to talk about the Eldorados and the names, and Cadillac with their CT5s and their XT5s, back then they were doing numbers too. But it is so incredible, with Cadillac's 120th history, this vehicle to be in the condition that it's in, it is as if it just came off the showroom floor. I haven't driven it yet, and I can't tell you how reliable it is, but it looks beautiful. I'm standing here in the DuPont Barn, which is located on the grounds of the Hagley Museum and Library, the immense grounds of the Hagley Museum and Library. And how appropriate, as this year was a trip down memory lane to remember bygone brands. I don't know if that's what they meant, but here I stand in front of the Conestoga wagon, another bygone brand. We are so happy to be able to be here and celebrate the past and celebrate the history of all the automobiles that were on display today. And we are proud to be able to stand here and show you the future with Cadillac and where it's taking us. From bygone brands to we are just getting started with Cadillac's electric future and the LYRIQ. I just want to take this minute to say thank you to Joan and Mike and Kara and all the members and employees, staff, volunteers of the Hagley Museum and Library for welcoming us to be here. And we hope to be back so we can see so much more that you have to offer. This being the 27th annual car show, I can see that this one is gonna never be gone because it's just that wonderful and it's an impressive showing, and everything that we got to see here, just thank you for letting us be a part of it. Delaware Cadillac is proud to sponsor and continue to be a sponsor to the Hagley Museum and Library's car show. And we look forward to seeing you all at next year's event.
Shop Delaware Cadillac for your new Cadillac and watch us on YouTube for all the latest Cadillac reviews and offers.